Hello, this is Ron with Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. We're located in Mableton, Georgia, and we're also located in Atlanta, Georgia, in the Greenbrier Mall. And today is our 6th edition of our Vivdration Shot. And so far we've gone over 5 ingredients. Those 5 ingredients are beets, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and dandelion roots. And today we're going to talk about the 6th ingredient, which is RoseMallow. Now, RoseMallow is from the hibiscus flower, and that flower belongs to the mallow family. There are over 200 species of the hibiscus that can be found in the warm and tropical region all over the world. The plant is best known for its beautiful flowers and cultivated from ornamental purposes. The plant is native to East Asia, mostly China. It is now widely distributed and cultivated in the tropics and subtropics. 8 of the benefits of the RoseMallow or hibiscus flower is it is packed with antioxidants. It may help to lower blood pressure. It also may help to lower blood fat levels. It may boost the liver health, could promote weight loss, contains compounds that may help prevent cancer, could help fight bacteria. It is flavorful and easy to make, and we put it in our Vivdration shots. And this here is our 5-pack Vivdration packs. People who like it, they get a week's worth. And so come visit us at Paradise Smoothie Juice Bar. Again, we're located in Mableton, Georgia, and Atlanta, Georgia, in Greenbrier Mall. And I'll see you the next time when we'll go over another ingredient of our Vivdration shots. Thank you and have a great day.